First, fold your triangular bandage into a semi-broad cravat. Put the center of the folded triangular bandage on the patient's shoulder, and then insert the other tail under the patient's armpit, and then crisscross. Tie both ends of the triangular bandage under the armpit. And don't forget to hide the tails and do a sweep cleaning.